This is a very serious message to the people of the Caribbean. If you live in North America, you would realize that this guy is not joking. On top of that, he said he lived in North America already, so he knows what he's talking about. I urge you to listen what this guy is saying, people of the Caribbean, and take heed, because a word to the wise is enough. Now have a look and listen. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Important message to my
I'm currently in the Virgin Islands, and I have a message for all my island people, all the islands of the Caribbean, of the West Indies. This is a message for you. I'm realizing you all not realizing the significance of what is going on in America, in the United States of America. Understand something. This is going to trickle down to you guys. It's going to get really, really rough. It's going to get rough. Island people, island government, listen to me. Listen to me. I am from the States. I live in the States over 30 years, and I know there are many that see the same thing that I see. But for some reason, we are not preparing. Island people, we have to come back to village life where everybody is looking out for everybody. Make sure you all are planting food, because it's going to get really tough. Make sure that you have a system where, as when the electricity goes, make sure that you have money, paper money, because even that is going to shut down. The banks are going to shut down. It's going to get bad. It is going to get bad, island people. And the only way we're going to survive this is if we stand together, support one another. Go back to the days when you look out for your neighbor. If you have a piece of bread, give your neighbor a piece of bread. 2 sweet potatoes, some onion, whatever it is you have. Some lime, some lemon, some mango, whatever you have is going to go back to that. Island people, island government, I don't see y'all preparing. Y'all are not taking this thing serious enough. This is slavery. That's what's going on in America, slavery. They're trying to take us back to slavery. Please watch what is going on. It is going to trickle down to us. Please, island people, understand this. I am pleading with y'all, because y'all are not doing enough. You're not prepared for what is coming. Island people, you are not prepared for what is coming. You have to do something, all of us. I'm begging and pleading with you, because it's going to get really, really, really bad.